I just wanted to do a quick little video on our little trailer. It's a 1984 Nomad. I believe the specified length is 18 feet, but the trailer itself is only about 15 or 16 feet. On the outside, just did a whole lot of polishing, repainted all the Nomad logos, and I think I repainted the door and the fenders. And that's about it. Really, it's just a lot polishing and a little bit of painting here and there. Oh, the window trim, I repainted that dark brown. Otherwise, the trailer was in pretty good shape on the outside. We added the cover for the tanks in the front just to cover those ugly things up. On the inside, my wife upholstered everything. New curtains, all new cushion covers. Uh, we repainted the walls. They were dark brown or some wood paneling. Painted all that white just to brighten it up in there. Uh, the kitchen, we painted the cabinets that teal, light teal. I'm not sure exactly what it's called. And then the wood flooring, it's just a peel and stick linoleum from Home Depot we picked up, and that makes it look pretty good. We basically just did our best to get rid of all the browns, yellows, and oranges in the interior of this thing, because that's basically the exterior colors is what the interior was, just brown, yellow, and orange. And the subway tile looking backsplash on the kitchen is actually from the dollar store. I believe this is plastic sheeting from the dollar store. And I did repaint the oven and stove with a barbecue paint, high temp barbecue paint. Well, hopefully this video inspires you to get something old and make it new again.